I am from HK and I've never heard of this case before. Google shows that her case is still displayed on the local police department's missing persons website, right at the bottom of the awesome honking around the Christmas tree shirt. HK does have a lot of bodies of water and mountains. So if she went hiking and died with no one knowing, it is possible for her body to not surface despite the super high population density here. I wonder have anyone else found out where she was staying? And that did anyone else in Chungking? Awesome honking around the Christmas tree shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. There are so many hotels in HK. It is difficult to find out where she stayed. Some of those places in Chungking awesome honking around the Christmas tree shirt. So they might not have been as forthcoming even if they had known something. It's interesting that being such a veteran traveler, she didn't tell anyone back home what her accommodations were. Whenever I've traveled internationally, either alone or with others, I've always made sure that my mom or dad had a record of my basic travel. Other product.